Third, everyone expects the Fed to keep rates high and continue tightening. But ARK Invest has a contrarian take. They believe the Fed will cut rates more than expected this year. And if that happens, Bitcoin could skyrocket. This insight really caught my attention.
What do you see as the rate path for this year? The Federal Reserve kicking off its two-day policy meeting today. We're going to hear from Jay Powell tomorrow. How many rate cuts do you see happening this year, Cathie?
Well, we tend not to be very short-term in our focus, but if we're right and inflation is going to surprise on the low side of expectations, we wouldn't be surprised to see 2 or 3 cuts. Now, if you look at an indicator called Trueflation, it's probably the broadest measure of inflation out there. It is saying inflation is down to 1.65%, well below where the Fed is pinning it at roughly the CPI's 2.8%. And we believe that the combination of actually food prices have started coming down. Even egg prices have started to collapse, as a matter of fact. Gasoline prices are coming down. We're seeing some rent prices coming down. So we think inflation is going to surprise on the low side of expectations for those reasons, and because innovation is inherently deflationary. And our 5 innovation platforms are all driving different kinds of deflation, good deflation, which will cause unit growth, but deflation nonetheless. So we think the Fed is going to have many more degrees of freedom in the second half of this year than most people think. We could see more than the number I just suggested, 2 to 3 cuts.
Now, here's what most people are missing. Bitcoin still has a very real shot at hitting $200,000 by the end of the year.